WING is trending following its Q4 earnings report, where a significant beat on adjusted earnings per share overshadowed a revenue miss and a notable decline in domestic same store sales, prompting cautious FY 2026 guidance. While some expressed concerns about valuation and softened domestic demand, the stock is seeing a strong rebound, fueled by optimism around robust global unit expansion and operational improvements, alongside several analyst upgrades. Up 12.97%. This is Wednesday, the 18th of February 2026. 50-day average is usually around 726,000, so it has more than doubled its 50-day average. Okay, it's looking like a big day for the stock. Short interest is around 13%. Hard to borrow, but the rate is zero. Okay, so the stock has now printed its second straight session of gains, and the extrapolation we have here seems to be suggesting that it might maintain the strength up till Tuesday, the 24th. So the overall trend is is a bullish one. Okay, yeah, it's a bullish one with a trend to the upside, and currently projections are currently saying 238.91. It's a downward projection. Previous projections pointed to the highs of around 306.14, 325.29, 387.12. Okay, so the stock is showing this strength within a longer term neutral to bullish trend. Its 200-day moving average, which underscores its underlying trend, is neutral to bullish right now. So this is that moving average. This is it's gaining roughly 4 cents every day. But the extrapolation is that it may continue to it may continue to decline. The moving average may continue to decline. It's not seeing anything to the upside. Not seeing anything to the upside. Not yeah. Obviously, it's not. It's probably one of the slowest of its moving average, so it's not really seeing anything. Yeah, positive as such. Let's have a look at the weekly chart. On the weekly chart here, the strength is expected to remain in place up till the 2nd of March. Then after that, we're looking at the prospects of weakness towards the 15th of June. Then after that, the uptrend may resume. Yeah, it may pick up a bounce. Okay, projections here are saying beginning from the least 200.23, 226.67, and then upper projections of 383.45, 451.24, 493.11. Okay, let's return and see what we have for its 10-day moving average. Let's- Okay, the 10-day moving average has been gain, or rather, let's see what it's indicating. It's gaining roughly, okay, just quite modest, 30 cents every day. And momentum is expected to remain in place up till the 2nd of March. Okay, let's see. Let's have a look at the 21. Okay, the 40-day moving average. The 40-day moving average is likely to be pretty much what the 10-day is indicating. Let's see the 21-day moving average. Okay, yeah, it looks like the most stable. This is most. It looks like the most reliable. It looks like the most reliable moving average. Okay, so at least up till the next 40 days, there's a good chance that there might be some stability. Whatever may happen may not really derail the 40-day moving average that much. Yeah, so there's a chance that if the stock is going to go volatile, it may not. Yeah, so more of the uptrend. This what is likely to happen. Yeah, since this moving average is flat, indicating that momentum is not going to go volatile at least up till the 31st of March. Then it's indicated the implication is that whatever is going to happen here, you can see here some volatility has been expressed. it may not be such that we are going to see a reversal in the 40-day moving average. It's just going to remain stable. So let's see. Fingers crossed. Let's see. Another thing we can do is just see what the market grid is going to give us. Its market grid is going to give us a range of structured prices, but we don't exactly know where things will be. Let's see. Okay, so the stock is trading at a premium to its market grid as things stand right now. The stock is at 282, and the maximum resistance value is 273.62, implying that a pullback may happen. But at the same time, it's also indicating that stock has, yes, been a bit volatile of late. Yeah, which is obviously what we know. Okay, here on the 4 hour chart, we have it right in the grid. So we have between 312.260 and it's currently at 282. Got a rejection. Let's see where that rejection happened. Okay, not exactly very sure. Maybe just slightly above $300. Here it's yeah, roughly around above $300. That's where that rejection happened. So maybe yes, that's why probably we have this RXT value at 312. So between 312 and 260, and it's currently at 382. Okay, so there's a support at let's see, is that it's support 28. It is a support, but how robust is it? That's the problem. Okay, at 282. Yeah, let's see. Okay, not so robust. 282, not so robust. No, so not so robust. 273, I know is only $7 away, but it's not much of a cluster, not much of it, not that close by, not much close by. You want to see a cluster. You want to see prices a lot closer to 280 to confirm to ascribe a potential to ascribe yeah, for it to be a sufficient, a reasonable support. It is a support, but not as robust. So yeah, so lower prices could still print regardless. Lower prices could still print. So the stock is currently trending right now. Let's see if, whether we have more sentiment there. Let's see. Okay, still or much of that is on its earnings. Choppy consumer environment. Company said it expects consumer environment to remain choppy this year, but said it has invested in kitchen technology and other strategies to compete. Okay, the company has characterized the decline as cyclical rather than structural, noting that part of the weakness stemmed from lapping 2 years of exceptional strong results. Okay, so people are positive regardless of a mix of things. It has on its earnings outcomes. $175.7 million versus estimate of 177.8. Okay, that was the revenue. Adjusted earnings per share $1 versus estimates of okay, earnings per share was a beat, but revenue was a miss. Okay, adjusted EBITDA was as a beat. Operational margin 26.7% in line with the same quarter last year. Locations at 3,056 at quarter end, up to 2,563 in the same quarter last year. Same store sales figure fell from 5.8% year on year, 10.1% in the same quarter last year. Market capitalization 7 billion. $7 billion. Okay, so just see what you make of Wingstop stock, and thank you very much for watching this video.